Hey, it's Daniel. Exciting news! You can still enjoy your favorite bread, sandwiches, and pizzas without ditching your paleo or ketogenic diet. Watch till the end for a game-changing solution. If you love what you hear, hit that like button, subscribe, and spread the word. Let's devane. Traditionalbread, the diet's arch nemesis, hides a sneaky compound sabotaging fat-burning efforts. But who can resist the comfort of warm focaccia, a chewy baguette, or a flaky croissant? The joy of devouring bread is real, activating opiate receptors in your brain. Ever wondered why pizza or grilled cheese feels euphoric? Similar compounds, like casomorphine in cheese, create a party for your taste buds. But hold on, traditional bread can wreak havoc on your body, causing sluggishness, confusion, and unwanted fat. High glycemic index bread triggers insulin overdrive, packing on the pounds. Wheat germ agglutinin mimics insulin, blocking fat burning. Shockingly, the average American consumes 55 kilos of wheat flour yearly, a health catastrophe. The good news? You don't have to bid farewell to bread forever. I found an incredible ebook with fail-safe recipes for natural, risk-free bread at home. No compromise on taste or pleasure. Check the link for a complete baking program. Fail-safe formulas, taste-tested perfection, easy preparation, allergy substitutions, and nutritional info. It's not just a book, it's a game changer. Your health comes first, but you can still savor simple pleasures. Try Keto breads risk-free with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Did you love this content? Show some love, like, subscribe, share these game-changing tips, and drop a comment. Your thoughts mean everything.